Okay, in this video we're going to explain how to program your Chamberlain LiftMaster Universal Remote Control into a 9 series of operators. This can typically be identified from your original remote control, which was supplied with the kit. So the model number on your original remotes may start with an 8 or a 9, and it will follow by, so it'll be 94335E, it could be the 94330E or 94333E, or it could be the 8 series of this, which will be the 84335E, 84330E, or 84333E. This video will explain how to program your LiftMaster Universal Remote Control to become one of those remotes and program direct into your system. So first off, I'm going to explain a bit about the remote controls and the differences. So here we have the TX4RUNI, the TX4UNIS, and the TX4UNIF. Now, principally, these all program the same. They have the same programming properties. So this video, I'll do it with one remote control, but it is the exact same programming method across the other two remote controls that you pictured here. The reason I have a fourth remote control here is just to highlight that there are remotes out there that LiftMaster have produced that operate on different frequency, but be it they look very similar. So the way you can tell the difference between this remote and these other three is that the LED at the top is blue. Now this signifies this operates on 868 megahertz, whereas all of the other remote controls pictured here have a white LED at the top, and that signifies it operates on 433 megahertz. Now this and this is fine for the Evolution series of operators that are out there, but today we're programming into a 9 series of operators, so I'll put that to one side. So to program the remote control into your system, it's a simple process. We must program the remote control first before programming into the system. To do this, press the left and the right hand side button down until the white LED on the remote control goes solid, and let go. Choose the button on the remote you want to be using. In this video we're going to use the top button, so press the top button twice. Once, twice. And then press a different button on the remote to exit the learn mode, and the LED will go off. So all 4 buttons on this remote control by default are programmed as the Evolution series. We've now programmed this top button to become a 9 series of remotes, so it's compatible with the 94335E, 94330E, etc. So we can then proceed to program this into our system, be it a gate or a garage door. So press the Learn button on your system. This is the CB11, so it's CH1 once and release, and then press the button that we've learnt in on the remote control. The operator will then do the LED sequence to tell you it's learnt that remote control in. You probably hear a click as well, and that top button has now been learnt into this system. And likewise on these other remote controls, if you've got the TX4UNIS, you must make sure you slide down the top front cover first to reveal the 4 buttons underneath. Left and right button down until the white LED goes solid at the top. Choose the button that you want to use on this remote control. Again, we'll do the top one on this one, so press it twice, 1, 2, and then press a different button on the remote to exit the learn mode. And now this is ready to learn into our system. Learn button on the remote, and that's programmed in exactly the same. And then we've got the TX4UNIF. Now you'll notice on this doesn't have a slide down front cover, and the buttons are laid out slightly different, but it's exactly the same principle. Left and right button down on the remote control until your white LED at the top goes solid. Let go. Choose the button you're going to use, so top button, press it twice, 1, 2, and different button on the remote, and then press the Learn button on your system and the button that we've programmed. And that's it. For more information, please contact us via our website www.easygates.co.uk or email us via technical@easygates.co.uk.
To stay up to date with the latest in gate automation and safety, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter.